New screen door. Myself. Florida screen. It's like coating on it. The old one had a bunch of holes in it. Still gotta do some trimming. But it's hot out here. You see some of the edges. I could have got a little tighter over here, but I don't care. Where that's no, it's over there. It's a little messed up over here. I could play with it, but I'm not gonna play with it. I could pull it down more. That corner's pretty good. I always do them a little loose. It's not bad though. Just a little too tight. Yeah, I still gotta do more trimming on the bottom, but not bad, not bad. Yeah, well, it just took forever getting the spline in. Old spline was all rotted. And that should hold up. I don't know what the screen guy gets you, but I started doing it myself because the screen people are unreliable. And yeah, you can do it yourself for really cheap. Screen costs almost nothing. Not bad though. I'll tighten up. Again, I could have made that a little tighter over here, but I'm not going nuts. See the wrinkle over there? I'm happy with it. I've done way worse.